I think it's time for some new headlights. Hey, what's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. The other night I was riding home with my wife and it was dark outside and we were in the FJ. She cuts the headlights on and you couldn't see 30 feet in front of you. And I looked at her and I was like, how long's it been like this? And she says, well, it's been like this for a while. So I got to notice and I was like, went and looked at the headlights and if you look right here, look how fogged up they are. They're just cruddy slam over. And there's tons of videos out there about how to clean them and make them look good. Well, I'm here to tell you that that shit don't work. This is a prime example. I cleaned these headlights about a year ago and look, they're already fog slam up. You can't even see out of them. I know nowadays everybody's a little tight on money and I get it, but if you can afford to get headlights, that's the way to go. Cleaning them is just not gonna last. It's just like putting a Band-Aid on a cut that needs stitches. So in this video, guys, you know what I'm gonna show you how to do. Put front headlights in a Toyota FJ. All right, guys, let's get into the video. $79 and a lifetime warranty. I think I'm gonna need some hood shocks too. That's next weekend's project. All right, to get the headlights out, we gotta remove the grill. To do that, you gotta take off a couple of 10mm bolts and some plastic clips. Just be careful with the clips. This is an 07 model vehicle, so they're gonna be old and brittle. If you break one, it's not a big deal. You can get them aftermarket, and I'll put links in the description below where you can get them at if you happen to break one. All right, let's start by getting those bolts out. So I got this kit off Amazon for like $15. This thing comes with everything you need to take off any kind of plastic clip there is. I'll stick a link in the description below. I do get a small commission off that, and I appreciate it. To get the clip out by the headlight, grab your V-tool, slide it up under, pull it out. And look, this one was falling apart as it was coming out. There's clips by the headlight right here. Just take it, push the tabs in, pull them out. There's 3 plastic clips at the bottom of the grill. There's one here, there's one here, and there is one on the other side of the headlight right down here. Get your V-tool right down inside here and pop it out. And just like that, grill's out. There's an access cover that's under the light. You just take it and pop it off, and it's got little clips that hold it on. This way you can expose a bolt that's down here that's gonna hold that headlight on. 10mm on top, one right here, and there's one right here. Twist and turn to get the outer bulb out, and for the headlight, just unplug. That's gonna definitely make a difference. We gotta remove the side light. That is 3 8mm. There's a cover that keeps moisture from getting on the headlight. You gotta remove that. Squeeze the 2 prongs, lift up the tab, pull out the light. When you have the bulb in your hand, don't touch it. The grease from your hands could get on that, and then when you turn it on, it'll blow. There you go. We're gonna plug the headlight back in, put the side marker light bulb back on. There's a tab right here. Make sure you put it in that hole when you go to push it in. That helps hold it in, and give it a little tap. Installing the lights is as easy as that. I'm gonna knock out the other side. We'll come back later tonight, turn them suckers on, see how bright they are. Catch you later. That is 10 times better. That'll stop a deer in his tracks a half a mile away. that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.